Everyone, I'm Kennedy, and today we are diving into something I believe every Django developer should know, the Django admin panel. So, what is the Django admin panel? It's a powerful built in interface that Django gives you. It's pre built, but it's fully customizable and it lets you perform all your basic CRUD operations, that is, create, read, update, and delete, without writing a single line of code. And the best part is that it automatically generated from your models. I'll be speaking about the key benefit. So first of all, it's a huge time saver. You don't need to build out a basic admin interface from scratch. It's already pre-built. It also helps with quick prototyping so that during development, developers can easily manage their data. It's also it's secured as well, so you are able to easily set up role-based permission, deciding who sees what. Plus, it is highly customizable. You can override the layout and add filters and make it suit your needs. We'll also talk about some real world cases. So how it helps developers. You don't need to code an admin panel from scratch. This is already given to you when you launch your Django project. And also, to register a model, you just need to use the following command: admin.side.register, and then you give the model name. Then some real world scenario, you are able to manage blog posts or product inventories. You're also able to handle user accounts, like deactivating or activating users, assigning different roles and permission. So if you haven't already explored the Django admin panel, we will be doing that in the next session during the practical one. Thank you. Hello and welcome to the practical aspect of the Django admin panel. So first of all, we'll create our models. So we'll run the command python manage.py make migrations. Now when we do that, we create the table post and also the table comment, and then we run the migrate function, the migrate command. Now when we do that, we are told that the models are created, right? So for us to go into the Django admin panel that Django gives to us, we need to create a super user. So super user is like, let me say, the administrator of the project or the system. So create super user. That's what we'll be doing. Yes. So that's a mistake right there for me. So create super user. Now you have to give a name for it, Kennedy. You have to give an email. You need to give a password. You need to make sure that your password is strong, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to just go with a weak password. Now when we are done, we just run the server for us to get access to the admin panel. So we have here. Now for us to go into the admin panel, we need to add the admin as part of the URL that Django gives us. Then we type the username that we gave and then the password that we gave as well. So this is the Django admin panel. We are able to see the users so far. This is the user I created right now, and this is the user I already have. And also with the groups as well, you can choose to create a group. This is to help with your role-based authentication. Now what we want to do is that we want to register these models, the post model and then the comment model, so that we will be able to perform our basic CAD applications or do what we want to do on this admin panel. Right, so we come here and then we start. So we need to import the admin. Okay, so first of all we need to import this admin from the Django contrib. We need to also import the post and then the comment model from the .models file. So now that we are here, so we want to start registering the models, right? So you have an admin register.post. That's what you do. And now we want to register the different type of models. We want to register the post model, but this time around we want to have or give the administrator the ability to display the post in a different ways that they so choose. So we're going to start with the class post admin, which I think is already here. Post admin. We're going to start with the, so first of all we want to define how the post is displayed. So we'll select the list display here, and then when we come here, so what we want to do is that when we come to the admin panel, how the post should be displayed is what we want to tell Django. So we want to show the post by their title, the slug, show the post by the title, the slug, the author, whether it's published, and then the status. Right now we also want to be let me give a comment here. How the post will be displayed in the admin panel. These AIs are getting very good. Now we have how a post would be filtered on the admin panel. So we are going to do the list. We always have to make sure that it's indented correctly. We're going to have the list filter. Right, this is how we want our users to filter a post. Maybe we want to filter a post by the date it was created, maybe whether the post is published or not, or who the author is. So considering that now we have two users, or we have two bloggers, right? So we continue. Then again we have the ability to search. Now we want to be able to search for we want to be able to search for a blog based on the title or the body, and maybe I also want to search by, let me say, whether what is the status, right? I want to search by the status, and then again we also want to think, maybe if we want to find the ordering, right? How do we want to order the post? We want to order it by the status, whether the status and if it's published or not. Yes, I think that is okay for now. Then we also go to the comment class, the comment model as well, and we do the same thing. We create a class called comment admin, and then again with the comment we want to first show how we will display it, right? We'll display it, and then you're going to display the comment by the post the comment is attached to, the name, the email, and the date it was created. Again, you want to have a filter, how we would search through the comment, how we will search through the comments, right? So list filter. Yeah, now we want to search it by the name as well, the name, and then I think for now that's all, right? This is the filter. Now okay, how do you want to search it? You want to search it by, let's say, the name, the email, and then the body. So I think this is how we want to search our admin, right? So we're saying that okay. Okay, so I think we can have that. So let's reload the admin panel. So when we reload the admin panel, you can see that we have the comment and then we have the post here. So I'm going to first create a post. Let me call it the power of CSS, right? And we are going to have again the power. So I want to do this. The slug should always be generated based on the title. So I think I would have to bring it here and say pre-populated field. The slug would always be generated from here. So need to reload. So let me say the power of CSS. That's all. Now the actor would be Kennedy, right? And the body with the power of CSS. Right. So let me put this in draft. Right. So you see, it's showing by the title which we specified here. The slug, right? The actor, the date, and then the published. Let me add another post. Let me see the power of HTML, also by Kennedy. Just say the power. Right. Then we have the same thing as well. So you want to save. So this is me creating. I can choose to edit as well. Save the edit work. I can choose to delete. This is the card application I'm talking about. Now with this, I'll be able to, you see the filters, right? I can show all the drafts. I can show the published. So you see there are no codes that have been published. So if I go to all and then I edit the status as published and I save it, when I come to the draft, when I come to now it's not there again. Then now the published works. So I can choose today. I can also filter. I can the last day and all of that. I can also go to the comment and do the same thing. I want to add a comment. I select the post that I want to have. Select my name. Just give this post. I can save it, and I can also, search. So the search feature can also work. I can say we're searching by, did we add the search functionality? And okay, you can search by the name as well. So let me see Kennedy. So Kennedy is showing. So yeah. So this is how the Django admin panel works. It's more complex than this. I mean, this is just an overview. So if you have a project and you need an admin to manage the users and the other information, you don't need to create a whole new um, HTML or a whole new page. Django gives it to you. You can just access it with the Django admin panel as well. You can also create users. You can choose to delete this user, and that's all. Yeah, so thank you.